Hello, my name is Jason. I'm talking on behalf of expertvillage.com. Now, after you finish the interior, you want to go to the exterior. Now, the first thing you want to do on the exterior before you start washing the car, take a look underneath the hood. A lot of people don't. They forget about it. But it's very important because grease builds up and that could be costing you smelling bad. You know, when you turn on the AC, burning oil could come in there. Very, very bad smells. So then here we are. You just simply lift the hood. Wow, this engine looks pretty dirty. So you got two options. First option, you get a can of degreaser. You just simply spray the whole engine, and what that does is it breaks down the dirt particle, the grease, and the oil. So you could easily spray it with water and it'll remove all that. And how you do it, when you spray throughout the whole engine, you have to let it sit about 2 or 3 minutes. So it will break into that dirt particle. You have to let it, I repeat, you have to let it sit there for 2 or 3 minutes. Or you have the other option, you could take it to the car wash and do this, because they also have a degreaser also, where you could spray on it and wait. But it's not as good as the kind of degreaser you buy from AutoZone or O'Reilly. Their product is a little bit better, it's more tougher. Basically, it's a white degreaser, and the one used in the car wash is got a dark green color to it. They use kind of a cheaper degreaser. If you really want to clean your engine well, I suggest you use a degreaser from a parts store.